Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making sweet corn snacks with less ingredients. Let's start. Sweet corn, one full, cut like this with the help of knife. Transfer to a bowl. Half cup onion, chopped onion, red chili flakes 2 tablespoon, green chilies 1 chopped, salt as per taste, rice flour 3 tablespoon, chickpea flour 8 tablespoon. Mix everything. Now add water 2 tablespoon. Mix everything. Perfect consistency. Oil for frying. Heat the oil. Pour like this. Fry until crispy or changes color. It takes 10 to 15 minutes. Yummy homemade snacks for kids. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video. Get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye. Have a great day.